Banki ya Ncba ni rurite mutaratara wayo kenda wika mantu weru nenda kwarithia utungata kinyankuluki pwatanirite na watimbaru kathomba banki ya Ncba ni beyite amona kurure mitaratara araithe ndebethirite bakiana motungata na njira ya weru na kinya kwarithia mantu kinyankuluki customer bayo bakethira bakiona utungata bo na njira ya mwanya na yagirite agaite no kau ni bethirite bakiruria mutaratara yo scholarship ya MUNG'ANA yo milioni 11 gatante mukendo tetheria aritwa bara BATIGUCIUMBA.
Just hold.
We can express our delight.
Do the traditional way.
Yeah, I know. The big numbers.
Nothing explaining something.
Yeah.
Something very deep.
In 2023, we launched our sustainability strategy, under which we made 15 very bold commitments. And those commitments that spoke to economic, social, and environmental work that we're going to do to create sustainability. We've done a lot of work, and I think some of the things we have done have been mentioned. And mentioned that we committed 2 billion shillings towards electric vehicles. And for those of us visiting us here, we'll take you downstairs to see charging stations that were put for our employees and certainly for our customers. We have done that in Kenya now and in Uganda and in Rwanda. So it's something that we're doing as Ncba. Our Karura nursery, where we are aiming to have 1 million seedlings. We're probably at about 700,000 seedlings. And working with others, we believe we've already planted over 10 million trees. So it's commitments that we have made. Obviously, our work on the social side and sports side, our work with golf, our work financing, education, and others, many things that we have done in this journey, and many others that I will not mention this morning. I think what is important is the old adage, what doesn't get measured does not get done. And today what we are doing is finding and signing to a framework that actually measures those activities against an established benchmark for sustainable development. The UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals were done with a lot of thought, and a lot of the work that we do as organizations, indeed as individuals, contribute towards those goals. What we're doing today is signing on to a framework that measures progress on the things that we said we shall do against the commitments we as humans on this earth have made collectively. And so I'm very happy to be launching this